Back to life. Hi, I'm Debbie. From skeng to coffee, bounty to berries, spice to, well, controversial cutouts. Fans starved of live gigs by the pandemic headed to Catherine Hall for the long-awaited return of Reggae Sumfest. The festival overrunning. What's new? But not running out of stuff to talk about and moments to savor.
We up, yeah. Free up, yeah. Balenciaga for me structure.
Festival reboot. Reggae Sumfest postponed by COVID after 2019 and making its much-hyped return to Catherine Hall in Montego Bay. Rain in town Friday, so a late start. But COVID-weary music lovers, also dogged by rising prices for goods and services, set on having some fun. The lineup tailored to please, with fans beating a path to Mobe to see their favorite acts.
Spice, 100% Spice and Chensia.
In your face and outrageous, daring and dancehall, or tried and tested. Older and newer also delivering and appealing to a range of styles and likes.
Beres Hammond, of course. Definitely Beres, Sizzler, Christopher Martin, all of the greats. You know, they're coming with the good vibes, big vibes, culture vibes, love vibes.
After the pandemic being locked down for so long, and then you have such a great lineup, Beres Hammond, Coffee, you know, those are people that you really want to experience live. I would never miss that, especially see Coffee on our home soil after being so, you know, having a phenomenal year.
Some in the lineup doing Sumfest for the first time. Jashi and Skeng leading the charge for the current crop of dancehall acts.
The first time I see him, man, yeah. But not the last though. The game plan is always a game plan. It's never to fail. And every time I get a chance to execute, I get the best. Even if you don't feel like it's the best, it's my best.
Marcy Chin among the debut divas and big on the Down Sound roster.
I don't know that it's a plus. I think a lot of people judge me harder because of it. It's like more difficult. People think, oh, you have a big machine, so you have it easier, but that is further from the truth. Like, it's not easy actually, but I earned it, so no.
Chanel Muir too, a first-timer at Catherine Hall.
It's been a long time I've been thinking about this and envision myself on that stage, and to know that I've actually walked on a Sumfest stage. I was actually booked for a Sumfest festival. Can't explain it. It was a time of my life.
Shania is like really and truly one of the biggest lyricists right now as a female. Like she bad. Vocals, topics and everything. That's some really respect our work and thing, and we connect up and we make some magic and thing, and it's going great right now. Everybody have somebody and everybody lose somebody and something with somebody and somebody, so it always works.
What a confrontation. Hey, Mr. Supervisor, think I'm gonna have to call in.
The man thousands came to see has done Sumfest too many times to count. Many of Beres Hammond's peers talking about the Beres formula. Formula? What formula?
We just get up and sing. And what I can tell them is that don't make nobody tell you say you can't do this. Just do it. The Almighty responsible for you. Responsible for what I give you. So don't make nobody tell you say you can't do it. I don't know if that's a formula in itself or what, but me just sing.
Did you know that love means never to say that you're sorry?
Me no dice words and me no dilute my message. I sing what comes from the heart. Yeah.
Can Lovers Rock carry on into the future?
I came, I saw, I enjoyed, I partake. You know, so Lovers Rock can't die. That's the first thing. And all Jamaica musicians, singers, DJs, them should acknowledge what Jamaica get and trying to kill it. Only we can kill.
We come for burn down Sumfest.
Raining brown like wildfire.
Alright then, step up the level with us. Pull up, Jody with everybody touch it closer. Some do it like that, do it Nigeria. Who do what that skill and Yahoo boy. One in a back to get down the good heart. People wanna put up the bellies. They are mama, they are not showing. Save all book, save all dirty boys, save all. High school days, me know this. Run myself. Rough up, parade, stuck up. Look to feed, I live it. The medium lolly, shot and dolly, lolly, yeah, body, lolly.
Dancehall live wire Lali setting a hectic pace with a little help from Dirt sidekick Tyreek.
Welcome, Tyreek. Dev. Y'all ready? Hey, you're clean. Everybody know this way. Mummy go small man.
TikTok are the major thing. Social media is a major platform. I help push dancehall music, I help push every type of music. So why not make use of it?
Bang bang.
Social media in step with Lali's moves.
We just always have some element of surprise.
See the long thing. Show the fear.
Keep it ready there.
Ding Dong with a big bounce in 2022. The Nannyville nurtured dancing machine with a flair to entertain, now a reliable chart topper. No radio edits needed. Massive and Matalons plugged in.
Surprise! The dance man, you! Brother! Gary, come here. And everybody run the wheel, watch it. Never come over here, never.
Coffee, a hot beverage in current Jamaican music. It's all about working her current album on the international stage, but happy to work Sumfest too.
I've been touring with my new album Gifted, and it's been received very well pretty much everywhere we go. So I think that only says that people are liking the album, and that's good news. I feel like all audiences respond to my music in some way, the way that I expect, or the way that what you get what you put out, and I feel like most people respond to me in that way.
Everybody needs some company.
Sumfest, a mix of brews. Ishawna on stage instead of Jada Kingdom. A mixed blessing for the Prime Minister and Bounty Killer, who later let her have it, as only he can, for getting way too close.
Big up Bounty Killer, he's a legend. He's here to I rate him. Everybody knows that. But this is entertainment, and everybody knows that equal rights was a problem to him, and him take me on, him drag me through the mud, boom little song. So me have to show him, me have to teeth a piece of him, talk of. Could escape that one you Bounty. A baby, me get you back. Yeah, but it's just fun. He knows that.
Equal rights or bad taste? You be the judge.
Everybody is allowed to express themselves. I really enjoyed it though. Yeah.
How do you think Bounty Killer took it?
No comments. No comments.
I'm about the godfather that, and them man send artists to the world. Send she to the world too. She was in the camp, so styling thing, she got to extra.
Shensia repackaged for export, signed and no longer identified as a dancehall artiste. Slick, sleek, and way more self-assured before a crowd.
Shenseea talk about how she always get beat up about her performance, but it was brilliant. Girl, go on.
Way to go, Mom.
Go down and wine and a bubble. Send it up, boss himself.
Spice's crowning moment, a long time coming. Go Down There with Shaggy and Sean Paul streaming ahead. Grace great for dancehall and woman prevailing in a man's world. And now free from her VP contract to go her own way.
I'm releasing a new album celebrating my independence, and it's called Emancipated. And I'm super excited for that. It dropped August 19. Big up to Shaggy and United Masters Stealth Music. I'm super happy and excited.
With this new freedom from VP Records and yes, a new album coming out, what else does Spice plan to do with your freedom?
With my freedom, I just want to continue to show people that what I set out to do, it's possible. Because a lot of people feel like it couldn't do. I couldn't stick to doing my authentic dancehall music. I had to put in a little thing. I'd have to sound hip hop. I'd have to try to do this. I stood true to authentic dancehall music, and it's still, you know, relevant to this day.
Idonia shedding some threads and bling to get busy. And introducing wife Kimberly.
This is my beautiful wife. Yeah. Miss Kimberly. Kimberly. So we say good morning, Kimberly.
You see him both great at the 100 meter 9.58. We had a long distance runner. You know, so with the space yourself and, you know, just work smart. You know, Jamaican stay. You know, more time them say you're too much. You know, and them never ever say that, you know, about Idonia. You know, Vibes Cartel and other artists, you know, release a million songs and work for them, but, you know, I don't really see that working for me.
Lot's been working for Dexta Daps. He's found his audience and they scream really loud. For his brand of soul and dancehall.
Jano Star, you know the magnitude. One of them songs for the man, we have the songs them for them. Never stop working, man. Do an album during the pandemic and never stop moving, you know? Big up to Vibes Cartel, by the way. The first part of the performance was my tribute to Vibes Cartel. Free the Danny, hear that?
Favorite artist, love him, love when he performs. Anywhere he performs, I'm there, so I love him. I came here to see him.
A top billing at Reggae Sumfest 2022, the tribute to Dave Kelly. Many of those the songwriter and producer worked with from back in the 90s, ripping their way through the defining hits of a much-loved era.
Dave Kelly wrote the set from start to finish. How we wanted the set done. All we did was just execute, so it was easy for me and my brothers, Bounty Killer, Beenie Man, Spragga Benz, Wayne Wonder, Mr. Easy, Frisco Kid.
Now Dave Kelly produced slam, you know. Give me the girl every day weekly slam. Think about it. I let him produce all dog like me.
Your turn. Oh, dog like me.
We have the girl them in it, yeah. Just think about it. And then they want a proper fix, and these are the billboard hits.
And today is not about none of us as artists. It's about the main man, Mr. Dave Kelly and Madhouse Records.
2 nights and well into the morning both times. Rain again at the very end. Hardcore Sumfest fans soaking up Sizzler.
Oh my God, it was excellent. My voice is gone, as you can hear. I can barely speak. I was screaming, I was shouting, I was dancing. I was having so much fun. It was an excellent tribute.
But
it's long, and of course people get tired. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and the show is still not done.
But overall, I think the show was amazing, and everybody took it from me.
Beres Hammond, definitely. I don't know who can come close to him. Coffee was also pretty awesome. I wasn't very pleased with the production in itself, but I was happy to see Beres.
Baby Sham, Sizzler. Who else?